Hello, it's Davita. Welcome to Abstract and Flow. So today we're going to be working on this lovely round, and I am going to try my hand at doing a bloom. Yes. So let me show you what colors I'm working with. We have Amsterdam, and this is permanent blue violet. And for this particular bloom, you can see my paints are thinner than the norm. I am actually doing a recipe developed by one of my paint sisters, and her name is Arissa Rue Art. So go check her out. She does some wonderful work. Our next color is going to be light olive green by Liquitex. And again, color art is very fluid. It is leaving a mound. Next we have Deco Arts Peacock Pearl. This is Folk Art Sapphire or Blue Sapphire. And a little bit of 24 karat gold. My cell activator is, what is it? Oh, Artist Loft White. And Larissa's recipe involves Golden's Soft Gel Gloss and Golden's 900. And you mix this to get the cell activator. I will put the exact recipe in the description box with the ingredients. My base color is Walmart Color Place, ready to use. And I add a little water to thin it down. So that's my pillow. And I do add a squirt of GAC 800 just to cut down on any cracking. So we're going to go ahead and get some paints on this round and see how it goes. Okay, so we're going to put a pillow right in the center. Okay. probably too much paint, but we are going to let it, we're going to go with the flow. Okay. See some foreigners. What I call them at one point, some UFOs. That's what happens when you use the same jug to make paint. Sometimes you may get a little debris. Excuse me. A little debris. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with Amsterdam's Permanent Blue Violet. Fingers crossed. And our, this is Sapphire Blue. This is the Peacock Pearl. Doesn't look like it, but this is my 24K gold. And the light olive, yes, light olive green. Okay. We're going to put down our white cell activator first. And Larissa developed this recipe to mimic the what is that? Shelee, I can't pronounce it. Art Bloom, because you can already see that there's a halo that she says you get with the European Fleotrol, which I've never used, but she has. So she said when you see that halo, you've done it right. So we're going to blow this out, and let's hope and pray it turns out the way I envisioned. Okay, here we go. Alright, so far so good. Now, let's see. That is purling up so nice. Let me see if I can blow it out just a little bit before I spin it. Well, no, let me spin it first. And then I'll blow out anything that needs to expand. So let's get our paint all the way to the edges so it'll move freely. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, spin it out, and see what we get. Wow. Look at those cells right in that area. See if we can open that up a bit. Okay, I'm going to spin one more time because I need this area to have a little bit more action in it. Okay. I am really, really loving this. See some little bubbles. Okay, let's give it one more spin. Okay, that really opened up that area right there a bit. So now, I'm going to do a few coasters to match that color combination. So that is it. I just wanted to pop on and do a quick video and share my friend Arissa's recipe with you. Go check her out. She does some wonderful things. Very pleasant girl. And I'm sure you will enjoy her work if you like blooms. So thanks for tuning in today. And you know what I always say, stay blessed, stay safe. See you next pour. Bye-bye.